This is how to fix Calendar app is not working in your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first step that you need to do is to simply open your Microsoft Store, and here you have to just click on the library. Now you have to just click on the get update option or update all apps option. So once you update all apps, your problem will be fixed, as your Calendar app must be updated in order to work smoothly. So now moving to our second step. For the second step, you have to just open your settings, and here click on update and security, and now click on Windows Update, and here click on check for update and make sure that your Windows must be updated. So once you update your Windows, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third step, you just need to move one step back and now open the apps. Here in the apps and the features, in the search icon, search for the mails and calendar. So once you find this option, just tap on it and now click on advanced options. Here you have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom and you will find an option of reset. Just click on it, again click on reset and wait for completing this process. This process may take about a couple of the minutes, so you have to be patient. Once you complete this process, you just need to restart your system one time, and after restarting your system, your problem will be fixed and your Calendar app will start to work smoothly. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.